INFuse Data Solutions provide data and analytics consulting and solutions using Microsoft's market-leading Azure cloud platform, with an extensive track record of designing and developing analytics solutions that enable our customers to forge a competitive edge, reduce costs, and drive up revenue. We operate across all industries with specific experience in local government, housing, education, retail, and supply chain. The focus of our engagements is to deliver business value quickly so you can start to reap the benefits of your investment without enduring a long, drawn-out IT project. We build long-lasting partnerships with our customers. Your success is our business.